We're in Bרכhat Hamazon. We're up towards the end. After the Harachmans, right before Yiru, we say Oisa Shalom Bimreimav, Hu Yasa Shalom Aleinu, the Al Kol Yisrael, the Imu Ami. Now we're all familiar with this verse of Oisa Shalom Bimreimav, Hu Yasa Shalom Aleinu, because we finish every Kaddish with it, we finish every Shemona Esrei with it, and here we finish benching with it. Interestingly enough, it's really, if you think about it, after Shemona Esrei. It's really after Kaddish. Because what happens, right, we know that if you forget Yalav Yavai and say, it says until you take 3 steps back, you could go back. Right, but when do we say Oisa Shalom? We say Oisa Shalom after you take the 3 steps back. Sort of like an epilogue that we ask for Shalom. Kaddish also takes 3 steps back as if he's finished Kaddish. It says Oisa Shalom B'Reimav, we ask for Shalom Aleinu. It's sort of afterwards. Here too it seems like it was written sort of like an epilogue to Bרכhat Hamazon that we finish off with Oisa Shalom B'Reimav. And Davud Hamtaka says, Oisa Shalom B'Reimav, Godel HaShalom, so great is Shalom, She'ein Chaysim Kol HaTfilos, every tefillah we finish with Shalom, K'mei Shamani B'Perish HaKaddish. Says like we see in the Kaddish, explains it by Shemona Esrei, we finish. He says it, there's a Sifri in Bamidbar, Rebbe Elazar Kafar, Eimer Godel HaShalom, She'ein Chaysim Kol HaBrachas El HaShalom. Elazar Kafar says that Shalom is so great, we finish all our brachas with Shalom, just like we see by Birchas Kaihanim, we finish V'yasem L'cha Shalom. Therefore, we always finish off, and we spoke about this in Shemona Esrei, that you need, there's no brach, there's no kli that can be mekabel bracha except Shalom. So that's why we have some Shalom even in the last 3 brachas, and even on Shabbos when you're not supposed to ask about kashus, we ask for Shalom because we can't have any bracha without Shalom. Shalom is the basis for it. And here we finish Bרכhat Hamazon, we also ask for Shalom. But let's stop for 1 second and say, where does this verse of Oisa Shalom B'Reimav come from? So interestingly enough, it's not anywhere in the Psukim, it's not a Mishnah, it's not a Gemara. It is quoted in the Zohar, but we know the Zohar wasn't printed till well into the 1200s, and a lot of it was in Aramaic, so it's hard to know for sure whether it's from Shimon Bar Yochai, this exact line. The earliest we have it really, quote unquote, in print from would be from Ram Gain, I believe, from the time of the Gaonim, where he brings in the Tefilah to say Oisa Shalom B'Reimav, Hu Yasa Shalom Aleinu. Now, the 3 words of Oisa Shalom B'Reimav, that is found in Eiv. That we have in Eiv. The pasuk says, Hamshel v'fachad imoi Oisa Shalom B'Reimav. And Rashi there says, K'sham mazolis oilam kol echad sovrani oila rishon v'sheini rei mas lafona v'figach eine miskani. He says, what does it mean that the Rebbeinu Shalom makes Shalom in his Mereimim? He makes sure when the mazolos come up, they don't realize that there's a mazel that came before them. They don't see anything that's ahead of them, and therefore they're not jealous. That's one pshat. Now that seems to me to be a very low level of Shalom, because that means that really they're not peace one with the other. They just don't know that the other has what the other has. They don't know the other one came first. It seems to be a very low level of Shalom. But then he brings Lashon Achra, is a Shalom B'Reimav, Eshu Mayim Belulim, Vein Mayim Mechabenes Ha'esh. That in the Reimim, up there in Shemayim, water and fire get mixed together, and the water doesn't put out the fire. And that seems to be a much higher level of peace, of Shalom, because there you have fire and water, which is Be'etzem Nestira, and yet the two get along one with the other. Now that we would understand, that's a higher level of Shalom, that's what we're mispalled for, that the Rebbeinu Shalom, who makes that Shalom B'Reimav, he should be Yaseh Shalom Aleinu V'al Kol Yisrael. But interestingly enough, both pshatim are here, and based on that we ask for Shalom. And could be it's really both, which means that there's sometimes in our lives, there's a Oisa Shalom, where we have to realize that the other person is not ready for peace. So we say it should be like those mazolas. They're not ready yet to peace, but at least you stay away and keep away and stay away from achlekes. And that's one level of Shalom. Shalom, it's not full Shalom because you can't get together, which would be a higher level, but at least you understand when you need to stay apart. And you don't see what's going on over there, and you could have Shalom. But a much higher level of Shalom is when the Eishim Mayim could come together and could still be b'shalom, and that's even a higher level. And based on that, Chazal said, "Oisei shalom b'mromiv." 2 levels of shalom. But we should try and strive. If we can't get to the higher level, at least the lower level. There's 2 levels of shalom. Oisei shalom b'mromiv, whichever level we can get to. But the Rebbeinu Shalom who makes that shalom b'mromiv, he should help us. The yasa shalom aleinu, that we should have shalom al kol Yisrael, because there's no bracha without shalom.